Let me show you how I developed this Python application that sends bulk SMS to clients or to users. So as you can see, enter the phone numbers, then enter the message. Make sure you put comma and in between them and enter the country code of the number. So once you have done that, click on submit. So look at it. See that it's saying text message sent successfully. As you can see, so you see that it drops on my phone. Look at it. So if you look at it carefully, see that it came twice. All right, so you can see that it's saying multiple SIMs. So that shows that there are actually two SIMs in this one, and it sent them to the various SIMs. All right, so that's what we're going to learn how to do in this video. This is a continuation of the series we've been working on regarding Twilio SMS API in Python. So you can see the previous one is there. So now we'll create a new file. We'll call it send bulk SMS GUI.py. Then you see that the code that shows. Then this is the previous code we wrote, as you can see. So I'm just going to copy everything here. Everything. So you can look at the code that we wrote before in the previous video. I will share the link of that video in the description of this video. So copy everything from here, then copy, then go to the file we just created, so as you can see, then paste everything here. Alright, so then what we now need to do is just little things we need to make changes. Little things we need to just change here. Then look at this area, come up here. So look at this within the underneath the client equals client account ID auth token. So go in there, create a variable called recipient numbers. Remember the S equals self.recipient number, which is this number, the variable created earlier in line 13. Okay, so all right, so then come back here. So the next we need to now do is we need to look for a way to get the various numbers coming from the user interface. So then recipient number.text .split. So we split it. We said .text.split. So as it splits the whatever comes in, it puts a comma in between them. Okay. So then we now say that recipient numbers equals number.strip. Then for number in recipient numbers, more or less it's going to loop through them. So right. So it's going to loop through the number that because it's going to have them as in one, but it needs to loop through them. So it's going to say for number in recipient numbers, if number does stripe or strip, depends on how you want to pronounce it. All right, so then after we have done that, so the next we need to now do is to create a for loop. All right, so we're going to create a for loop that will loop through the various number that has been put that have been separated basically with comma. So now say for num in recipient numbers, then within this loop body we now say message. Basically we just pick this message. Let me delete this. I've already written that, so I just need to remove so just say message equals, so which means that we're actually not writing anything just because I have written it. So you now say for num in recipient numbers, then you just put that in there, so which means that this for loop just covers the message. So it's going to be looping through the various numbers. It's going to be looking at the number that you have, that has been sent to the put in the by the user, sent it by the user. So the number of the various number will determine the number of times it's going to loop, and it's looping is sending the messages. Basically, that's how it is. So let me just make changes here. This one will now be called send bulk SMS. Just add bulk there. All right, that's basically what you have there, and it's as simple as this. So what we did was to bring in the number, then separate them with comma, and loop through them. Then we can send. So what I need to do now is to enter the appropriate account ID, the authentication token, and the Twilio number. So just enter them here. Okay, so once I've entered them, then enter the number, the appropriate number. Make sure that they are correct. In the previous video, you saw that we went to the website to register and so on. I just wanted this one to be short, so I don't have to be going through that all the time. So I will link the video. So here it needs to be num, not recipient number. So num for num in recipient numbers, then should be to num. Okay. Alright, so once you have done that, then you run it, enter the various numbers that you want to separate them with comma, and make sure that they have a country code for the where the number is. Okay, then you enter the message. Once I click on send SMS, what happens is that, of course, make sure that you're on the internet. What happens is that it's going to call Twilio, and all the other things will be handled by Twilio end. See that SMS message is sent successfully. Pull up my phone now, you can see that it shows the notification here of the bulk SMS. If you look at it carefully, you see that the second one was added. If you pay attention there, that's basically how it is done. So I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video, share it. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.